Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
I'm John. It's got 16 Audio Waves Wild 12s, and it's run on 2 Audio Dynamic 12Ks at 1 ohm each, and powered by 3 Brand X 370 ohms.
Man, you're efficient. Yeah. A lot of cone area too.
Yeah. That's our thing, man. It's trying to be as efficient as possible.
Is that like a UV system with glow-in-the-dark painting?
Yep.
Who painted this?
Oh, Ben Nash and his crew down in Texas painted it. We gutted everything out of it and then did all the epoxy work and rebuilt it.
Okay. The Kraken. The only thing I can think of that's like the Kraken roller coaster I've been on that's called the Kraken. That's sweet. I like the theme, man.
Nice, man.
Any SPL tests on it, or more just demo only? Or?
Oh, it's just a demo build, but we before we put the we had 4 DD M8000s in here that were here, and we were at a 64.3 on music.
Man.
So we're hoping to hit that 65 on demo.
That's wild. And that's not even an SPL build, that's just musical too. Yeah, that's good, nice job. And you haven't had any windshield issues?
Not yet.
Okay. That's good.
Wood, man.
It means you did a good fab work. And to be able to build into the back of the cabin, you cut out all around and sealed it, man, you're good.
Nice, man.
And you got a lot of cabin work, man. It's not just a small flat wall cabin space, you got a whole back end. And you can actually demo people back here if you chose to.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
That's awesome. I appreciate it, man.
Oh, you're welcome.
Called the Kraken, all right.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you getting in here, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'm gonna go look at the back.
Oh,
you even got Kraken style here. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Go look at that back amps.
You gotta get the door for me.
Oh yeah?
That about to come off the end.
Can I get in the back seat?
Careful, I just bolted down. So.
Yes, sir.
Man, I know it's got to be crazy.
It's just closer.
Yeah.
It's just closer to the subs.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
This is a wicked feel.
Nice, man.
The way it feels like it's going to like the green stage, man. Nice. Someone else coming in?
Yeah. Who's next?
Get ready.
We've been playing them all day on and off, haven't you?
All day.
They're warm. I
Yeah.
can feel it. This is the 4th order, so them motors are hot.
Oh, yeah.
Man, I've been watching this thing on TikTok, Facebook, all over the damn place. I've been watching it personally.
All right, you ready?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I will see.
anyway, yeah, you can play. Yeah, I want to hear one more. Sure. Yes, sir.
We'll do some lows. I don't know if you got to hear this one or not, but this is probably this is my favorite demo one.
Okay.
Shattering glass and tapping asses. This is DJ Rusticles. I don't know. This is DJ Rusticles. I don't know.
Man, I feel like I'm floating. That's awesome.